Bonjour étudiants. Today I am going to teach you in the French language the verb conjugation, that is of the er ending verb, re ending verb and ir ending verb, which are the most important part to make phrases. So commenzo, let's start.
Parley conjugation with the er ending verb. Er ending verb, in the er ending verb, what's going to happen? We just remove the ending part of the er and we left with the stem. Stem is here the par. Remove the er, this will give you the what is called the stem, and parl is the stem, and to this stem I just add the endings corresponding to the subject pronouns. And what are the endings to that subject pronoun? With the je subject pronoun, I just add e in the place of the er. With you, it's es. With ill, it's e. With nu, it's uns. With vu, it's ez. And with ill in the plural sense, it's ent. Suppose we just look at the example. Example is I speak to the professor. Je parle au professeur. They are speaking with the director. And parlons avec directeur. Ave is forward and director is the director. Right? I guess it's clear. Manger verb. There are so many verbs with the er ending verb. I will share you the list of that. Manger verb, écouter verb. Manger verb is to eat. Écouter verb is to listen. Chanter verb to sing. Danser to dance. Aimer to like. Étudier to study. Jouer to play. Right? So this is very simple enough. I'm just discussing this whole verb conjugation part only so as you can remind out the each and everything according to the part of it. Right? The next part of it, ending verb, it's re ending verb. Suppose I get the re ending verb, then how I will make the verb conjugation of that? It's very simple. As I mentioned the endings here, with je, in the place of the re, I just remove the re and I will add s. With you, it's s. And with ill, there is nothing to get add on it. We just remove the re. Uns will add with nu, ez with vu, and ent with ill and l in the plural sense. As there is the example of the re ending verb, it's répondre. Répondre is to answer. Je réponds, tu réponds, il elle répond, nous répondons, vous répondez, and il elle répondons. Right? So the basic part is you just have to remember these endings, what to add up in the ending verbs, and accordingly you can easily create up the verb conjugations by using these rules. Yes, exceptions verb conjugations you have to remind out, like avoir verb, aller verb. We already have done 2-3 exception verbs which helps you to remind out with these rules endings verbs. Right? Suppose we just do the example related to the répondre verb. They answer to the questions quickly. Ils répondent rapidement aux questions. Rapidement is means of the quickly. We just say the quickly in French language rapidement, and aux questions is the two questions. Next, moving towards the IR ending verb. In the IR ending verb, it's just only, we just replace the last IR and add up the endings corresponding to the subject pronoun. IS, IS, IG, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Je finis, I just replace the IR and add up the endings corresponding to the subject pronoun with je. It's je finis, tu finis, il elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, elles finissent. And if I look at the example, I finish my homework, je finis mon devoir. Homework is the devoir. I will share you the one worksheet or any assignment in which many of the verbs will be get used with the ER, RE and IR ending. So you have to place in their belongs only the conjugation of that verbs. So these rules will help you to solve in that worksheet. Right? Now, I guess only you have to remember the exceptions verbs which are not following these rule ending part. Otherwise, now I guess this will be easy for you to identify the conjugation of the verb ending with ER, RE or IR. Right? Santosh sir, it's looking difficult to you.
No, it's okay.
Okay, fine. So it's clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Anything I repeat out, then tell me.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
I
Fine.
think that ER you have already met.